Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with new chapter 3, Give and Take. So the learning objective of today's class is students should be able to find 10 more and 10 less than a number, and at the end of the class student will be able to find 10 more and 10 less than a number without counting, and they will also be able to find calculation using hundreds chart. So let's start with our topic, that is 10 more than 10 less than. So first I want you all to open your textbook page 29. There this 100 chart is given. So let's recall what you have learnt before. You've already learnt counting in tens. When you count in tens, if you start from 10, then next will be 20, 30, 40, 50. That is counting forward in tens. And when you are counting backward in 10, if you start from 80, come back to 70, 60. This is, you already have learnt counting in tens forward and backward. Then one more thing is one step right. When we start from any number, if we start suppose from 12 and we go one step to the right, you go to a higher number, that is, it is one more. When you go one step to the right, it is always one more than the previous number, and when you go one step to the left, it is less by one number. You are subtracting one, less by, it gets less by one number. So one step to the right is more by one number, and one step to the left is less by one. The other thing is, you already know about the place value of any given number. For example, if I say I take 59 and write it in this way, T form. So this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So we are going to deal with the tens place. Now suppose the question says you have 2 and you have to add 10 to this. Find the answer. So here is 2 in the hundreds chart. When you have to add 10 means you are going 10 step forward. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we reached 12. Our answer is 12. I also again want to add 10 more to this answer. So let's go 10 step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Reached 22. Again I want to add 10 more to this. 10 step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I reached 32. My answer is 32. So children, do you see any pattern that is formed here? Every time I'm adding 10, I'm going one step up. Every time I'm adding 10, I'm going one step up. So there is a pattern formed. So instead of counting like this each step, I can go one step up and get my answer. So if I want to add 10 to 2, I go one step up. I go one step up, my answer is 12. If I again want to add 10 more, I go one step up, I get 22. So whenever you want to add 10 means you go one step up, you jump one step up and get the answer which gets greater by 10. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to find, let's see, suppose I want to subtract 10 from 89 and find the answer. So subtract means you have to jump backward. So I have to jump how many steps? 10 step backward. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I reach 79. So my answer is 79. Now again I want to subtract another 10 from 79. Go 10 step backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I reach 69. 69. 10 step backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I reached 59. So again, can you see a pattern formed? Yes, you can see a pattern formed. That is, if you want to find if you want to subtract 10, then you simply have to jump down one step. Okay, when you jump down one step, you get simply your answer. So 89 minus 10 will be 79. 79 minus 10 will be 69. 69 minus 10 will be 59. Okay. Now let's see a small part of this hundreds grid. Yeah, I've taken a part of that 100 grids, and we are going to find 10 more and 10 less than a number. So let's take 65. We are going to find 10 more than 65. So I said you jump one step up, your answer is 75. Did you notice anything that we are adding 1 to the tens place? So when we are finding 10 more, we are adding ones to the tens place, okay, and getting the answer. If same way, if I want to find 10 less than 65, 10 less than 65 means you have to jump down one step. Your answer is 55. So 10 less than 65 means again I am subtracting 1 from the tens place. So when I am subtracting ones from the tens place, I am getting my answer as 55. Let's see one more part of the grid. Let's take 24, maybe 24. If I want to find 10 less than 24 means 10 more than 24 means I have to add 1 to the tens place. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 34. My answer should be 34. That means when I'm jumping one step up, my answer is 34. Again, I'm finding 10 less than 24 means I'm subtracting 1 from the tens place. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so that means one step down should be 14. So here my answer is 14. So whenever we are adding 10 more or 10 less than a number, we are either adding 1 to the tens place or subtracting 1 from the tens place according to the question. Now come to page number 30 and 31. We are going to do some questions which is given here. Okay, first one, 10 less than 34. So where is 34? Here is 34. You have to go find 10 less means go down one step. Answer is 24. 53 minus 20. Now here 20 means 10 plus 10 makes 20, isn't it? So that means we are going minus means less, going down. So going down by 2 steps. So where is 53? 53 is here. So you are going down 2 steps. 1, 2. That is minus 20. This one step is minus 10. Another step is another minus 10 means minus 20. So answer is 33. 11 more than 31 is. So 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. So that means you have to more means you have to add. First you have to go one step up for 10 and then you have to go one step to the right for this one. So where is 31? 31 is here. So for 10 you go one step up here. This is 1 plus 1 will be to the right, 42. So 31 plus 11 will be 42. 11 less than 66. Now less means you have to find less, go back or subtract, and 11 can means 10 plus 1. That means first you have to go down one step for this 10 to subtract and then go backward one step for this 1 to subtract. So where is 66? 66 is here. So 11 less means you go here 10 less and minus 1. That means 55 is your answer. 62 plus 13. Plus means go up and then 13 means 10 plus 3. That means 10, one step up for 10 and 3 step forward. Okay. So where is 62? 62 is here. 62 is here. So you go one step up for plus 10 and 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 75. 23 less than 89. 23 23 means 20 plus 3. So here for 20 you are making it less, means you have to subtract, you have to go down 2 steps for 20 and then go backward 3 steps for 3. So 89 is here. First you will go down 2 steps for minus 20, 1, 2, and then you will go 3 steps backward for 3, 1, 2, 3. So where did you reach? 66. So your answer is 66. Some more questions. 10 and 40 more is, means to 10 we are adding 40 more. 40 more means what is there in the tens place? 4. So you have to add 4 steps. You have to go 4 step up. Where is 10? 10 is here. So you are going 4 step up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where did you reach? 50. Answer is 50. 9 added to 28. Okay. So you are adding 9 to 28. 9 means, can I write 9 as 10 minus 1? So we are adding means we are first going up 10 steps and then I'm going back by 1 step because we have to add 9. So where is 28? 28 is here. So first I'm going up. This means plus 10. Then I go back 1 step. That means I'm going minus 1. That is 9. So I'm adding 9 to 28 means it is 37. The sum of 9 and 44 is, again, either you start from 9 and go up, we can do like that. So what we do is 44, can I write it as 40 plus 4? I can write it as 40 plus 4. So I'm going to first go add 40 to 9. So where is my 9? 9 is here. So I am going up 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then I'm adding 4 more to it. So 1 step, 2, 3, 4. So where did I reach? 53. So answer is 53. Reducing 98 by 34 gives. So from 98 we are reducing 34. 34 can be written as 30 plus 4. So we are going to reduce 30 and 4 from 98. So 98 is here. Reducing 30 means go down 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. I reached here and then 4 more backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 64. 4 and 37 more is, 4 to 4 I'm adding 37 means 30 plus 7. So I'm adding 30 steps up first to 4. 4 is here, 30 step. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps for 30 and then plus 7. 7 forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where did I reach? I reached 50. Now last one, take 35 away from 83. We get 35. We are taking away means we are subtracting. Now 35 means again 30 plus 5. So from 83, let me take another color. Okay. So from 83, where is 83? 83 is here. 83, I'm taking away 35. First I'm going back down 33 steps for 30. 1, 2, 3, and then I am going back by 5 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where did I reach? 48. So answer is 48. So we come to the end of the chapter. One worksheet I have uploaded for your activity. This worksheet you have to, either you can take out printout or you can simply copy it. If you cannot take out printout, has to be done in your maths activity notebook. Write date, learning objective, learning outcome. Here what you have to do is you have to find numbers. Look for numbers in newspaper, magazine, old books, labels, receipt bills, etc. Anywhere, look around you and find numbers and stick it according to the boxes which I have given. stick the numbers such that it fulfills the inequality, and you should find for 3 or 4 digit numbers. Okay, because you all are doing 3 and 4 digit numbers, so find for it, cut it out and stick it. You know the crocodile will eat the greater number, so stick a greater number according to it. If it is greater number, we'll be sticking according to here, this is greater than sign, equal to sign, less than sign, greater than. So accordingly you stick the numbers, and so your activity is done. So hopefully everything is clear to you. Thank you so much children. Stay healthy, stay safe.